This is Craft Room Crash, and I'm in Arnold, Maryland, outside the home of DIYer Beth Kingston. Now, she says she's the luckiest girl in the world because she gets to craft and talk for a living. So let's go crash her craft room and find out what Beth is making today. Hey, Beth!
Hey, my friend. Welcome to Maryland.
Thank you.
You want to come in and hang out in my craft room?
I sure do.
Come on in. Watch the dog. Welcome to my craft room.
What?
Look, there's room to twirl. When people see my craft room, fairly often they will say to me, "Oh, you're so lucky your husband lets you do this."
This is your dance floor.
Let's do this thing.
How great is that?
I know, right?
Look at this craft room.
This pays our mortgage. So I think people find it hard to believe that there are actually people making a living this way. Because we're a military family, we move probably every 2 years, so I don't have the luxury of built-ins and having everything exactly the way I want it. So to make a living doing something that I love is a miracle, really. This is a hardware store counter from the 1890s.
No, 1890s?
Yes. All the original pieces. It's all about color and storage and organization. A girlfriend of mine who has beautiful handwriting wrote all the tags for me.
Oh, wow, look at this.
It's got my office supplies, it's got stickers, it's got my vinyl. I probably am crafting or thinking about crafting or shopping for crafting probably 2 or 3 hours a day.
This is like a rock concert in my head.
Some Nirvana.
Yes, we could do that.
On the walls, it's color coordinated Roy G. Biv. It's got pink and red, and then it goes to orange and yellow. So now I can just walk up here and go, oh, I'll use this flower, and I'll use this vase, and I'll use these paper straws. So wherever you look in the room, there's color, and there are things that mean something to me. This is what a room should be, something that inspires you and makes you happy every day. I don't feel like a craft expert. I just feel like someone who enjoys making things.
So I'm excited to make something with you. What are we gonna make?
Today we're gonna make a Christmas banner because I love me some Christmas. You can make it for absolutely any holiday, any theme in the world because it's that easy and it's that quick.
And I love your idea.
The first thing we're gonna do is paint the little scalloped edges.
I'll be your sue maker, and I'm
Okay,
actually
good.
really good at sue making.
Oh, well then you're gonna be spectacular.
Okay. And I don't have to stay inside the scallops?
Oh girl, no.
Okay.
So that takes 30 seconds.
side only.
You set them aside to dry, and then we can work on the next piece.
Okay.
And we're gonna run the chipboard pieces through the Xyron machine. What we're doing is turning these into stickers. And now I'm gonna turn the handle, and those are gonna go through. Isn't it so fun?
This is the best invention ever.
I know.
This is magic.
Then I'm gonna peel this off. I know, right?
Yeah.
Peel this off. All the extra adhesive, see it coming up on the clear plaster right there? Oh, it's so satisfying. And then just throw it on the ground. Then we're gonna cover them with paper. So this is the pattern I want showing.
Right.
This is the sticky side.
Yeah.
You're just gonna line it up. Then we're gonna use the craft knife to cut away the extra. And look, 10 seconds and you've got a perfectly cut.
Look at this!
Isn't that beautiful? And then we'll flip them over and run them back through the Xyron machine to make them sticky on the back end.
Did you hear that noise?
And that's the side we're gonna put the zipper trim on. Brace yourselves for the actual most satisfying thing ever. Oh, on the floor. There we go. Okay, so I've cut our zipper trim.
It's my favorite.
Ready?
Zippers.
Pull it apart.
Ah!
So you take this.
And are you butting it up to the tippy top?
Yeah, but there's gonna be like a little edge right here that we can cut off. But look at how cute that is already.
Dorbs.
And then we will just sandwich them together with the painted pieces, press these together, and that's gonna hold. So again, you don't have to get out some extra glue. You just push, 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 push.
Wow!
Right?
So you can do this all year round, every season.
With scraps of paper, leftover embellishments. No kidding, I mean, you saw, it didn't even take 20 minutes for us to do it together, even though we are spectacular.
I mean, and look how clever and cute this is. You're just using all the different textures, the different colors.
With everything you've already got at home.
Thanks so much to Beth for having us in her craft room. Now we all know how to make a holiday banner. And that is what Beth is making in her craft room. What are you making in your craft room? I'll see you next time. This is so cute. I'm totally making. Craft Room Crash is brought to you by Xyron. Holds down everything except your imagination. Hey, don't forget, happiness is handmade because when you have an idea you can't stop thinking about, it's probably a good one to make, right?
Yep, better than the life choices I've made.
Yes.